Hello guys, it's a DVD mini walkthrough, and it is Peppa Pig Muddy Puddles. And it's a season 1 Peppa Pig DVD. Anyways, we go play all episodes. So episode are my pose. Peppa and George get very muddy after playing their favorite game, Muddy Puddles. Miss Dinosaur is lost. George is distraught as he has lost his favorite toy, Mr. Dinosaur. The rest of the family look for it. For Parrot, Peppa and George meet their granny and grandpa's new pet, a green parrot called Polly. Best friend, George feels left out when Peppa's best friend Susie Sheep comes to play. They soon notice they need a patient for their pretend doctor game. Hide and seek. Peppa complains that George is too easy to find in hide and seek. And the playgroup. Today is George's first day at playgroup. Although Peppa is hesitant at first because of his age, he soon gets introduced to everybody and shows his interest in dinosaurs. Mummy Pig at work. Peppa breaks Mummy Pig's computer while she is working. Camping. Daddy Pig is too big to get inside the tent, so he sleeps outside, but not for long. Gardening. Daddy Pig has lost... Peppa and George look in Granny and Grandpa Pig's garden. Bicycles. Peppa notices her bike is quite babyish after teasing George about it. The new car. The family borrow a car when their old one breaks down. And snow. Peppa and George have fun in the snow, throwing snowballs and making a snowman. So, we got extras. And the extras are Muddy Puddles, and the Happy Mrs. Chicken game. And that's it for Peppa Pig Muddy Puddles 2004 DVD menu. And I'll see you on the next episode called a DVD menu walkthrough of Peppa Pig Flying a Kite and Other Stories. And thanks for watching, and good night.